Hey, hello everybody. Hi. Today I'm going to demonstrate you Surya Namaskar. So before we start on the Surya Namaskar, let's start with a small prayer. So let's be in a Namaskar mudra. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य वैदकेन योपाकरोतं प्रवरं मुनिना पताञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरान्तोऽस्मि. We'll first start slightly warm up and then we'll start with the actual Surya Namaskar. Okay, so let's cross your legs and sit down wherever you are and start moving your body left to right very gently. Make sure you're not bending your lower back or the upper back. Your spinal cord should be straight. Also make sure that you are not lifting your knees above the floor. Go a little further. Go a little further. And along with the hands movement too. Left and right. And left and right. One more time, left and right. Okay, come back to center, relax. Take a deep breath in, and we are going to do yogic breath. So in this yogic breath, I'll demonstrate it once and then we'll do it together. So we are going to fill the air into all our three lobes, the lower lobe, the middle lobe and the upper lobe. Okay? So start breathing in and we'll start from the lower lobe. Breath and move your sides of the lower lobes. Breath now on the middle lobe and then breath. Feel your upper lobe as if your scapula bone is moving a little high. And breathe out. So once to demonstrate it, so your lower lobe is, when you feel your lower lobe, normally it would be on the lower lobe of your lungs, which is nearby to your diaphragm. The middle lobe is where the thoracic region is there, and then slightly when you feel a little more, it will go on to this part of your body. Okay. So let's start one more time. Then feel your middle lobe. Then the upper lobe. And breathe out. We'll do one more time, the last time. Okay, so let's start. Feel a little more. Now the middle lobe. The upper lobe. A little more. And let go. Okay, let's come to the table pose. So to come to the table pose, the best is to go first into Vajrasana. Sit like this. If you're not able to sit in a Vajrasana, put a cushion between your feet and your hips, and then try to give some support. Now table pose will look something like a table. So we'll go and do something like this. So what we need to do is, if you want to go into a table, just go onto your elbows and wherever your palms are there, okay, on your mat, now just come up there. So this is a perfect table pose. We will go breathe in, and when we go breathe in, we'll take a breath in. We will put our chest up, our navel down and tailbone slightly back. Okay, so I'll show you once and then we'll do it together. Make sure your palms are shoulder width apart and knees are hip width apart. Okay, so as you breathe in, pull your navel down, hips a little back and chest a little up. Breathe out, chin to the chest, as if somebody is trying to pull you through the string. Your back becomes like an arc and tailbone inside, squeezed inside. Breathe in, chest up, navel down, tailbone on the back side. If somebody is trying to pull your tailbone. Breathe out, go into the arc. Breathe in. And breathe out. And relax. So once again in the table pose. So this time we will put, we'll do one thing. We will try to move our left leg and the right hand above the mat, above the floor. Okay. So what we are going to do is, as we breathe in, put your right hand up and at the same time left leg up. Your gaze should be on the mat. Take a deep breath in and out. Be in this position. Try to engage your core. Focus on your breath. And breathe out. And with the other side, left hand and the right leg. Okay. So as you breathe in, try to engage your core. Your body should not be tilted. If your body is tilting on the other side, make it parallel to the ground. If your neck is upward, try to make it parallel to the mat, parallel to the floor, and fix your gaze on your mat. And breathe out. Come back and relax in the Sisyasana. Hands near to your feet, head on the mat. Take a long deep breath in and out. And come back. Okay. Now let's do a little stretch. Stand straight with your feet shoulder width apart. Breathe in and breathe out. Now we'll make at least 3 feet distance between our feet, or if you are based on your height, you can make it 3.5 feet. So I'm almost like 3 to 3.5 feet in that range. Okay. As you breathe in, come to the center. Now with your right leg, we are going to touch the left feet, okay, and the left hand will go up. So just let me show you. Breathe out and don't turn your body, okay. Make sure you're not tilting your body, okay. Your body is still parallel to the ground. Try to see your left hand, palms of the left hand. Breathe in, come back to the center, breathe out on the other side. Breathe in, come to the center and relax. Now we will start with Surya Namaskar. Come back to the front of your mat. Okay, so it just got a kind of a disconnection. So let's go back to the front of your mat. Be onto the front of your mat. Okay, it's gonna see. Okay, this is much better. So once you're at your front of your mat, feet shoulder width apart, chest like a warrior, sitting at the front, shoulders rolled back. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, come to the Namaste position. Now breathe in, go back. Breathe out. Very slowly come back into Padhastasana position. You're not trying to bend your upper back. You're just trying to make the movement from the lower back. And upper back is like kind of a straight for you. One more with a breath in. Right leg back. Try to push your pelvis onto near to the floor. Chest a little high. Smile on your face. Right hand, the other leg in a dandasana or a plank. We'll be in the plank for some time. Don't forget to breathe in and out. Body parallel to the floor. Breathe out. Come to the Sastang Namaskar. 8 points are touching onto the mat. Your feet, your knees, chest and chin. Elbows as close to the body as possible. Breathe in. Go to the Bhujangasana. Breathe in and breathe out. As you breathe out, come to a mountain pose. Your head between your hands and your neck should not be slightly inside or slightly outside. It should be between your hands. Try to relax your upper body and see if you can touch your feet onto the floor. With a breath in, push your right leg up onto the front of the mat. See up, chest high. As you breathe out, come to the Padhastasana position. Breathe in, go back. And breathe out, come to the Namaste position. So we did it with the right leg. Now we are going to do with the left leg. Breathe in. And as you breathe out in Namaste position, breathe in, go back. Breathe out. As you breathe in, put your left leg back. Chest up. Try to push your pelvis onto the floor. If you want to have a better stretch, just push your left leg little back. And the moment you try to do that, you'll have a better stretch near to your pelvis region. Breathe in, move the legs back, be in the plank. Don't stop breathing in and out. Continue breathing in and out. And as you breathe out, come to the Ashtanga Namaskar, 8 points onto the mat. Take a deep breath in and out. Elbows as close to the body as possible. Breathe in, come to the Bhujangasana. Make sure that you are not putting a lot of pressure on your lower back. This is more from the upper back. So if you are having a pressure on your lower back, try to adjust your position. As you breathe out, come to the mountain pose. Try to touch the sole of your feet onto the mat if possible. Breathe in, left leg front. Chest up. Pelvis near to the floor. Try to push your pelvis on near to the mat. Now we are going to do a small variation. Okay. So as I breathe in, I'll try to make my left leg straight. Okay. So, and also my right leg away from the mat. So, and try to make as straight as possible. Left foot above the floor and right foot try to touch it onto the floor. Go back. We will do one more time. As you breathe in, left leg, right leg off the floor, left leg try to be straight, feet off the mat of the left leg and the right sole touching onto the mat if possible. Go back, breathe in and out. If you are not able to put your knees straight, try to bend your knees and try to put your hands onto the mat. And as you breathe in, try to straighten your knees. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, namaste and relax. So we did one round of Surya Namaskar. We can do 3 rounds. Okay. Now we'll try to wind up with Yog Nidra. Okay. So we'll lie down on your back. Okay. Whole body resting onto the mat. Palms facing the sky. Take a deep breath in and out. And this time as we breathe in, we'll try to stretch all the body parts, okay, and then relax it. So as we breathe in, tighten your knees, calf muscles, stomach, abdomen, hands, face, chest. Breathe in and relax. One more time. As you breathe in, tighten everything. Tighten your feet, tighten your calf muscle, knees, thighs, buttocks, abdomen, chest, hands, shoulders, face, neck, and then relax. And let go. complete relaxation. Focus on your mind, your breath, and your body. As you breathe in, just imagine that inhalation of a breath is energizing your body, and with every exhalation, you're relaxing your body. And once you're done, come to your right side and slowly get up. So after the Savasana, we will do a Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. So in this pranayama, sit with your legs crossed, both the palms on your knees. With the right palm, make sure that it is something like two fingers joined. The index finger and the ring fingers are free and the thumb is free. So your thumb is closing your right nostril, and the ring finger and the small finger, you are touching your left nostril, and the middle two fingers are on slightly touching between your eyebrows. So this is the position. If you can see, make sure you're not lumping back or you're not bending. Make sure your body is straight with the spinal cord straight. So we'll start. We'll breathe in from both the nostril, okay? And as we breathe out from the left nostril, okay? Now right nostril is gently closed with the thumb. Okay? So we'll inhale from the left nostril very lightly without making any sound, and it should be deep breath. Then close your left nostril and then exhale from the right nostril. Now inhale from the right nostril, very slowly without making any noise. You should breathe in as if the person sitting next to you should not be able to hear the voice. And breathe out from the left nostril. So this is the one round. We will do 9 rounds. Okay? Very slowly. You should have a deep breath. And as you breathe out from your left nostril, you can gently put both the hands on the palm, both the palms on the knees. Hey, thank you everyone for watching this video. Have a nice yoga session for all of you. Take care. Bye bye.